Looks delicious. I wanted to show you guys how pretty the roses look right now. They are looking amazing. Look at these guys right here too. They're so beautiful. I am so excited for all of the plantalones. Also, this is this thing. I was gonna do it without the glass, but then mom was like, why don't you just keep the glass on there? I don't know if I like it. I'm still deciding, but still need a plant in here, but it's super hot right now. I'm actually going to go dye mom's hair. So I was just throwing out some trash, but I wanted to show you guys the flowers. Also, thank you to everyone that has made a purchase this weekend. Everything's going out by tomorrow, Tuesday, and again, the sale is still going on until the 26th. So alright guys, I got mom's hair dye mixed up. Time to dye mom's hair. Partway through dyeing mom's hair, her bread finished. Look at it. It smells so good. Alright, mom's hair is all done. Just gotta get processing. Alright, John is next. Look at that crazy looking hair. You guys check it out, John, turn. Ooh, so short. So today I think is a fitting day to also get rid of this table. So I'm just gonna transfer all these plants over to that table because we're keeping that one and I'm gonna like refinish it somehow. I'm gonna figure it out. But I feel like today's a good day to get rid of this. And then that way when the gardener comes and like blows the leaves and stuff, this will be gone. And yeah, so I'm just gonna move all the flowers right now. Alright, it's all off and now the sun is like starting to blare down. Jeez Louise. Every time I start doing anything out here during the daytime, early in the morning, the sun just decides to pop out. Alright you guys, I just got inside, I can't even talk right now. I just got inside the car, I have everything in the back and we're heading over to the Goodwill to drop these. Look what just came for me, I am so excited. This one and that one, but look at how ginormous this box is. If you guys want to see what's in it, I'm going to link the unboxing video for this, but right now I'm going to film that. Wow! That looks so delicious! Yum. Alright, so we have dinner ready. We have some rice. We have the beef right there. And then some delicious mashed potatoes. And mom was making a little plate right there so we can take a picture of it. Love it. Look at mom's shirt. Look how cute it is with little watermelons. Wow, mom. So nice. Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I am here in the kitchen. Mom's right there. John's over there. And today for breakfast, we're going to be making some breakfast quesadillas. I have some leftover chicken in the microwave because I'm heating it up just a little bit so I can cut it up and we're going to put it into the quesadillas. And it's going to be delicious. Also, today's video was up a little bit late, but if you guys want to see how mom made that Filipino beef steak that she made, it's going to be up in yesterday's video, so I'm going to have that link so you guys can go check it out. Just finished packing up an international package. I am doing international shipping again. Just had to stop doing that for a little bit because shipping was taking way too long, but I did receive word that shipping is almost kind of back to normal, so I've started accepting international orders again. So if you guys are international, I am accepting orders again, so just message me to let me know if you're out of the country and I will adjust the listing for you and I'll let you know how much shipping is gonna be. But right now, before I go to the post office, I'm gonna go help mom out in the garden. She's, I think she's fertilizing her plants right now. And I'm going to help her plant some stuff. Alright, so here is the vertical plant wall we're putting in the plants. Mom's has a vision for this, so. We're going with what she says for the plants. I think she's doing marigolds all along the bottom. Alright you guys, we just finished planting it up. I'm very excited. It looks really, really pretty. Now we just have to hose it down and make sure everything's nice and watered. And then I'll keep you guys updated with the progress of this because I know a lot of you guys have been asking about how it's going to work out. And I'm hoping that they turn out really good and everything lives. So, right, Mom? That's the question. But I don't know, for right now it looks really, really good, so I'm really excited about it. Alright, time for its first watering. Here, Mom, you want to do it? It's kind of hard to do it with one hand.
Do it from the top because it's very down.
I was just trying to clean it off, that's why.
That's like that's what I'm trying to do. Clean it.
Don't do it. Ah! And they are all watered up. They look so pretty. I can't wait for them to start growing. And I'm sure they'll grow really fast because it's like optimal growing season. Now we're gonna go plant these up in the front. I'll show you guys where these go, and I'm really excited about it. All right, they are gonna go over here with Brother Bear out here in the front, so I'm really excited. I'm gonna put them inside here, and hopefully this whole thing will just like fill up with flowers and it'll be super pretty, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. So come here, baby. It's time for the ladybugs. Okay, see guys, so we're gonna put the ladybugs into the garden. Elizo is super excited, but he doesn't want to do it. He always wants to watch me do it. So, Elizo, come here. Elizo's gonna film. You hold it. Come on. You hold the camera. 2 hands, please. 2 hands.
It's so heavy.
Can you see? Inside here? Okay, you film nice. Look, you don't need to lift it. You just leave it like that. Come on.
Okay, bye.
Come here. Come closer. So you can
Okay.
see. Come closer. Do you see the ladybugs? They're all awake.
Yeah.
And we're gonna put them
Inside the homes.
inside their new homes, right?
Yeah.
Here, look. Come closer. Wait, come closer. 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 Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ladybugs. Little ladybugs.
Yes. No! Wait a minute, Ah! I don't want to get messed from it.
Come here.
I don't want to get on it.
Yeah. I'm gonna put ladybugs on there.
Ew. They're getting out.
I know. They're like all over me.
Yeah.
So I don't know how much of that you guys were actually able to see, but we just released dozens of ladybugs around the garden. Look at them. Yay, little ladybugs. Look at that. Eat all the little pesky pests, ladybugs. Oh, there's still some on the lid. Right, here's this. It's a little bit of a hot mess because we just watered it, but I'm hoping they grow quickly. They're like succulents and they don't require too much water, so they should be perfect out here. They like full sun, so really excited to see how that looks. Alright, you guys, I just got back home from the post office, and I also went to Trader Joe's where I got Mom 2 bunches of peonies. Ooh! I'm gonna do that thing where you put it in hot water and open the flowers. I'm gonna try it, like that lady said. I also got this lavender organic hand sanitizer, which was at the register. It smells really, really good. For dinner, I got some tempura cauliflower that I really wanted to try because it looked really good when it was over there. And then some orange chicken.
Because the kids been wanting.
Because the kids have been wanting that. And I got garlic spread dip, my favorite. You guys know how obsessed with that I am. And I had to restock. And that's all I got. The kids are having some fun in the pool. And I'm gonna put my peonies in some water. Okay, so last time I got these, not all of the peonies opened up, and so I've been researching for how to like get them to open up on their own, and I found out that if you put them in warm water, bud side down, for about 30 minutes, and then you can like loosen up the flowers, they will open. So that's what we're gonna try out. So I have some of these, like that one's probably gonna open pretty soon on its own, but some of these are super duper tight. So let's see if this works. I'm really excited to try it out. But let's get these ready. So we're just gonna tear off most of the leaves or cut them off. And then, I don't know, we'll just try it. Let's see. Okay, so I'm getting the water from the tap as hot as it can go. So I'm gonna fill this vase up about like halfway, up to like right here. And I'm gonna insert the flowers in upside down, bloom side in for 30 minutes. And let's see if this works. Okay, cut off all of the bottom leaves on these. And now we're just gonna insert them. So I didn't cut the stems yet. I'm gonna do that at the very end once I'm about to put them in water. So that way the ends are nice and fresh. And hopefully these all fit in here. Let's see. Looks like they might not all fit. Let's just do half of them. There's a few of them. Let's go. They're in there. Now I'm gonna leave them in there for about 30 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so I had another vase that I put hot water in. I literally just put this in there right now. And look at that, it's like already opened.
I think I have to put it up there. Like put some of this in there.
Yeah, put that one in there. Cause this is like a bigger one.
Yeah.
Alright, it seems to be working. That one looks like it's like good to go, but I'm just gonna keep them all in there and see how it is. I'm excited! Alright, so my peonies are underwater. Mom is making the orange chicken, and I'm gonna go make this fried chicken for us in the air fryer. So, this is, Mom, what kind of, what's the name of this recipe? For the fried chicken, like the marinade?
Just vinegar.
But isn't it like, what do you call it?
No, we don't call it anything.
Oh.
Call it fried chicken.
Yeah, we just always called it fried chicken. I thought it had a different name, but this is the marinade that we use for our fried chicken. It has vinegar, salt, pepper, and a ton of garlic, and that's pretty much it. And then we're just gonna, you can fry it, air fry it, and it's really, really delicious. So this works perfectly in the air fryer. I air fry them for 25 minutes at 400 degrees and they always come out perfectly. So that's what we're gonna do right now. This is my air fryer. We have the Magic Chef. They actually sent me this and it's the best one I've used so far. So this is my favorite one. Chicken. And I have 2 tongs, one for before and one for after. Alright guys, we got the chicken. Gonna plug that in, get this to 400 and then 25 minutes. And then should be good to go. I always check it though just to make sure. You could always put it a little higher or a little less, or a little more or a little less than 25 minutes. But I find 25 minutes is like the perfect crispiness of the chicken. And it also depends on how big the wings are also. But if you're gonna use these, this is how long I cook them for. But I always just really look at what color they are and how crispy they are, because yeah. Flower update. This one is like intensely opened up. It looks really good. That one's also opened up a lot, and that one's opening up as well. So this really works so far. It's those tiny little ones that I don't know will open. We'll see. Alright, so 30 minutes later, this is what we have. Let's see. Alright you guys, so this is one, I had to like open it like a little bit more, and I just like kind of like was dunking it up and down inside the water, and it has loosened up the petals even more. So yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's try one of these, because this one like never really opened. And I think I have to like pop the leaves a little bit, or like loosen them like that, and then get it in here a little bit. And I'm just gonna, this is like directly the hot water from the tap. And let's see how I can get this to open. I'm gonna need 2 hands, so I'll be back with you guys in a second. Okay, so it looks like only 2 kind of opened. That one kind of opened, and then that one kind of opened. The other ones did not really do anything. So I'm soaking them just a little bit more, and if they don't open now, I'm just gonna let them sit in water and hopefully open on their own. Alright, so let me show you guys how well this method worked. It didn't really work on these 4. I think it's because they were the tightest balls. These other ones opened up, which I'm pretty excited about. We'll probably be opening up more. And then these 3 opened up the most. So it does kind of work. I guess the ones that are super duper tight, not so much. But maybe in the next few days it'll open sooner than later. Also, Mom is really excited that it matches so beautifully with our hydrangeas. Loving it. We have the orange chicken and our fried chicken. Yummy. Alright, you guys, I'm ending the video here. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out today. It was so much fun. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you guys did, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. And tune in tomorrow for a new video bright and early at 7 a.m. But till then, I bid you all